Hi everyone, today's recipe is a delicious nostalgic treat that we make every year during this jackfruit season, that is jackfruit halwa or chakkavarati in Malayalam. Most of the Keralites might be having jackfruit tree in their backyard and they do try different dishes with this wonder fruit. Especially during this lockdown period, people got enough time to spend at home and they began to make creative dishes. In social media also, the recipes of such dishes got wide publicity and feedback, especially jackfruit juice, jackfruit momos and shawarma. Compared to last year, we also made many jackfruit recipes this year. Last year it was like just fell off the tree and went unused, but this time we haven't spared any. This is our Tangechi and she is gonna help us today for cutting and cleaning all this jackfruit for making chakkavarati. There are two varieties of jackfruits available. This is Varica, slightly hard flesh when ripe, while the other is Kura fruit, which is soft and almost dissolving. First, we need to remove all seeds and white strips and cut into two pieces. Jackfruit has got miraculous health benefits, like it's a good source of fiber, so it prevents constipation. Also, it regulates diabetes, blood pressure, and it's good for skin problems. For all these reasons, Kerala government has declared jackfruit as their official fruit. We need to wash these chopped jackfruit pieces in running water 2 to 3 times and drain it. This jackfruit is made in a very natural way without any chemical fertilizers or pesticides. Also, this is known as the meat for vegetarians because of the way it looks and its texture. Our drained, cleaned jackfruits are ready. We need to cook this in a pressure cooker with 1 cup of water for about 3 whistles. We are taking coconut milk from 3 grated coconut for 2 small jackfruits. This recipe would take me back to my childhood memories and its amazing taste of jackfruit. Actually, I have seen my mom making it but not tried by myself. As I am in Kerala now, thought of making this authentic way of chakkavarati using their traditional utensils. Our cooked jackfruit will look like this after releasing the pressure. We need to add this to coconut milk and mix well and cook on high flame. This chakkavarati is like halwa. We are adding coconut milk and we can have it directly. But there is another method which is made with jackfruit, jaggery and ghee that can be stored in refrigerator and can be used during off season. I am adding 4 pieces of melted jaggery as my jackfruit is sweet enough, and this quantity varies depending upon the sweetness of the jackfruit you take. When it starts to thicken, stir this continuously, else this will stick to the bottom of the urli or pan. Water is almost evaporated and reduced to 1/3 of the quantity we took. To make this more thickened, I am mixing 2 tablespoons of rice flour in 1/4 cup of water and adding that. Mix everything well. Actually, oil will come out from the coconut milk we used in this, and that's the stage where we know it's almost done. See, the oil has started to come out and water is evaporated. This is the final stage. This is more like a halwa consistency now. It's done. Slant the pan to get oil to one side. Even though the process is time consuming and more efforts are needed for making it, but I'm sure you would love this. That's the amazing taste it has got. So please do try. Bye bye.